What lessons from your experience can international pharmacists apply in their home countries to elevate the profession and the patient care?
So, whichever capacity you work, just know that you have chosen a noble profession. You have chose the profession where you have the privilege and honor to go out and make a difference and serve the humanity. It is the sense of belief. I would like everyone to go away. If you want to take away one thing, that is that the belief that you are going to make an impact and you are going to make a difference in your patient's life. I want to share a story I read in somewhere in a book, that there were three bricklayers. uh, they were all building a wall, and they were asked what they are doing. The first person said, I'm just layering bricks. Second person says, no, I'm building a church. It's a church story. And the third person says, I'm building a house of God. So there were three mindsets. For first one, it was just a job. For second one, it was a career. For third one, it was a calling. So this profession of pharmacy is a calling for you all. You will work in different fields, but know that you are going to serve the humanity. And it is rooted in care, healing, and compassion. And in a profession where you're going to hold patient hands towards their journey, towards guide them, steer them toward their journey towards health. And this is no normal and ordinary thing. And imagine the potential you all have, that you're going to make that difference one day. And whichever setting you choose, where you find that spark, the spark ignited, that this is where I belong. It could be research, it could be industry. Some pharmacists work in managed care somewhere, some work from home behind the desk and they love it, and that's perfectly okay. Some work in hospitals, in critical care. There are so many in nuclear pharmacy. Just know what are your values and priorities are, and where you find that joy. And you can even leverage your degree even beyond pharmacy. Some are writers, some are speakers, some are doing so many other things, where some are even real estate agents here. They and they said their pharmacy knowledge has actually helped them. And so which wherever you go, or whichever field you choose, you just know that this education you're getting has so much potential, and you will going to have an amazing career. Just know and have a deep rooted sense of belief that your work matter. You're going to make contributions, and you're going to make this world a better place, where you're going to change lives. And in even in my community pharmacy settings, I would like to share that there are so many stories. One Sunday I open, and Sundays are usually busy. We open at 11 a.m. and people stop by after church at my pharmacy. They have their church Sunday service. And I got a call from one of my regular patients, and she said, I'm going through a mental breakdown. She was in a full blown panic attack. And now let's paint the picture. There were patients waiting, there were phones ringing. uh, patient control prescriptions are due, and we have to get them ready on the same day. And I have a technician, another one helping. I signal them that this call is important. This is where your triage, even on a crazy busy hectic day. I need few minutes of just distraction, and I have to be there with this patient. And I have walked her through. I let her listen, and have her breathe with me. Then I got have uh, her distracted, because I knew it's good to know your patients. I knew that she love animals and she have so many dogs. One of them most favorite was a pit bull, and I asked her, "How's your pit bull doing?" And she said, "Yeah, there are misconceptions about pit bull, that they are aggressive and they hurt other people. It's not true." I was like, "Yeah." So I basically walk her through mental health crisis that Sunday morning. And what happened next? I was doing my job. I acknowledged, I addressed, I'd walk her through, and I said, "If you want me to call 911," she's like, "No, I'm okay. Just after talking to you." So this is what making a difference look like. She went on Facebook and publicly thanked me that I saved her life that day. So this is what this profession you have chose. Be proud of yourself. I want to congratulate you all and know that you are going to make an impact. So this is what my journey and my experience, what I wanted to share with you all.
Thank you so much,